owned by the same family for longer than I've been alive, over half a century. So the prior resident was a landscaper, so you see very lush, quality landscaping with this semicircle turnaround driveway right here in the front and center. Brand new cabinets with quartzite here, which is like a light colored natural stone, versus you see granite is a darker colored stone. Centerpiece of this home is a newly remodeled chef's kitchen with this large, oversized, expanded island, a new gas range, and industrial grade exhaust. All new oak cabinets, authentic and timeless natural stone countertops. You got stainless appliances, including a built-in professional grade microwave, and ample natural light thanks to the oversized kitchen window and the massive Anderson French doors leading to the backyard paradise. A separate formal living room and sunken family room have an abundant common area space and potential attached ADU configuration, thanks to both bathrooms being located on opposite ends of the home. One of them is adjacent to the sunken family room and utility room, and the other by the 3 spacious bedrooms. Just an incredible lot, exceptionally deep and wide and nearly a quarter acre. There's ample room for parking in the semicircle and also the long driveway on the right side of the property, ideal for RV parking or hosting multiple guests. You got an outdoor dining area for entertainment or relaxation, thanks to exceptionally wide back patio, covered by not 1, but 2 large pergolas, and not to mention a separate hardscaped area in the back left corner of this professionally landscaped backyard.